In today's video, you will find out what's the easiest 3 ways of making a passive income for beginners are, and what is more, they don't require any upfront investment. Welcome everyone, my name is Agnes and I'm a mama of 2 and I'm very passionate about passive income opportunities and ideas. That's why I created this channel where I show my journey in creating different passive incomes and semi-passive incomes, especially online. In today's video, I will show you 3 easy ways of a passive income for beginners that do not require any investment, that you can basically start today. I'm so passionate about different passive incomes. One of the first passive incomes that I want to recommend for you, and it's literally very easy to start, that does not require any upfront investment and no skills really are needed to start it, is starting digital products, digital downloads on Etsy. Etsy is a very popular online marketplace where mostly customized products are sold, something very unique that you cannot really find anywhere else on the high street. Same thing applies to digital products. Digital products is something that you create once, upload it to Etsy, create a listing basically on Etsy by uploading your digital image as a PNG file or a zip file, and your customers easily can download it after purchasing your products. I'm not saying that there is no competition on Etsy, because there is always competition, and that's a good thing, because if there was no competition, then that would mean that there are no requirements for that particular product. However, it's your job basically to find the niche that would be the best to create your digital product. And for that reason, I normally go to erank.com where I search for the niches, ideas which I should go for. If you want to see a completely new video about how I search digital products and how I search the keyword for my digital products on Etsy, make your comment in the comment section and definitely I will create one separate video for you. Now, it is a free software for 5 searches. If you want more than 5 searches, you need to purchase the subscription and you will be able to see far more. There is a wide range of products on Etsy. Another great passive income idea to start with is KDP platform. This platform is one of Amazon platforms where you can upload your digital products, and in the end, customers receive a physical product. So basically, Amazon prints your digital product and ships them to their customers. It's basically print on demand technique. However, you're not responsible for printing. Amazon automatically prints and ships your products whenever there is a purchase. And you probably may say, yeah, Agnes, that sounds so great. What KDP platform is? KDP platform is a platform for books. You can create either high content books which contain a good knowledge inside. Let's say it's a storybook, cookbook where there are recipes, or low content or no content books which contain very little content, like puzzle books, coloring books, or no content, basically, like notebooks, line notebooks or empty page notebooks where you pay attention mostly on the cover to make it really nice. But then you may think, wait a minute, Agnes, how am I supposed to create a book if I am not a graphic designer and I have no idea how to create a book, basically? To be honest, you don't have to worry about that part because it's very easy. When I was starting, I was basically worried as well that I'm not a graphic designer, so how am I supposed to start this business? And it's easier than you think. I actually use a free online software. If you want to exactly find out how I create my books in that free online software, then go and check this video here, so you can find out exactly how I do it the free way. However, there is another online software that is very cheap and I basically use it on a daily basis, and whoever wants to start their journey with KDP books, I think it's a must-have, and there is a link for that software in the description, and with my code you can get it 20% off. That software can save you a lot of time, especially creating interiors of that book. Or if you go into puzzle books or game books, which are very popular at the moment, it can save you a lot of time as well. First of all, there are a lot of free interiors. If you are a software user, there is the whole page of interiors that you can use straight away into your low content notebooks. They are like liner books or diaries. They are interiors designed for many different niches of books. This software provides you as well with a great option of creating puzzle books or game books, which are very popular at the moment, and that option is absolutely amazing because that software generates different games and different options of those games every single time. Plus, you can use your own words for creation of different games, and the software will use your own ideas to create certain game books like crosswords or some other puzzles. I would definitely recommend that software to anyone. If we talk about the other software that I mentioned before, that is a free software, it is a great free software. However, what I found, there is far more options available for pro account users. That means you must pay your subscription. However, you get the full access to amazing functions and options that are only reserved for pro account users. And I would say more and more different options on that free software is becoming available only for pro account users. I started as a free account user, however, very soon I sign up for that pro account. And if you have a look, there is a link in the description. If you click that link in the description, you will get 1 month of free trial of that pro account. So definitely recommend. And the last passive income idea for beginners that I want to mention for you today is, of course, online marketing or so-called social media marketing. Social media are platforms where we all spend loads of time every single day, and we know there are some social medias websites that are more popular than others, and there is an humongous traffic on those websites. That's why not to make use of those websites completely organically without having to pay for any traffic. Believe me, TikTok is not all about dancing routine and some childish videos. There are people on TikTok who really make serious money by implementing online marketing or so-called social marketing. Some people say you must really create something around 7 to 10 videos a day, but in my opinion, you don't need to create that many videos. 1 to 3 videos is fully enough to get the proper traffic. The best way is to be consistent and create an account in a certain niche and try to attract customers of a certain interest into your account. Like those accounts here, they create content about different gadgets that are very popular at the moment. And basically, what they do, they are marketers of someone else's products, probably mostly Amazon's products. They get commission every single time they direct the viewer to the website with a product, and when, of course, the person purchases the product, that's when they receive their small commission from the sale. If you really want to get the great idea how to really become a pro social media marketer, let's say on TikTok, but not only, then you definitely must go and grab that 6 session of a free course that is in the link. If you want to be up to date with any new videos, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to be in my private free Facebook group, there is a link in the description where you can join it and be up to date as well with any news that I will be adding to the group. I hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching. See you next time.